In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam library location from one hard drive to another. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to switch over your games from one hard drive to another without having to delete and reinstall them, as well as it sets a new location for games that you download in the future. So if we go ahead and open up my PC, we can see that my hard drive is kind of full, and so I want to switch my library over to my SSD, which is fairly empty. And to do this, all we have to do is go into Steam, and in the top left corner you're going to click on Steam and then go to Settings, and then under the settings you're going to click on Downloads and Steam Library Folders. And here you should have one Steam library folder, but we're going to need another one that we're going to add onto the other hard drive, or in my case SSD. So I'm going to click on Add Library Folder, and I'm going to change the drive to the drive that I want to use. I'm going to click New Folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it with Steam Library. Click OK, and then click Select. Now, as you can see here, the new library location should show up, and you can change it to your default by right-clicking on it and clicking Make Default Folder. And after you do that, go ahead and click Close and click OK. And then it's going to tell you that you have to restart Steam for this to take effect. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my Steam. And it looks like Steam is now restarted. So what I'm going to do to transfer my games to the new library location, I'm going to find the game I want to transfer. So in this case, 911 Operator. I'm going to right click it, click on Properties, Local Files, and I'm going to click on Move Install Folder, and I'm going to select the new folder that we just created, and just go ahead and click Move Folder, and then it's going to transfer your game over to the new drive. And this is so much easier than having to delete everything you have and re-download it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.